Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Amazon Basics CPU cooler. While it may not be the most powerful cooler on the market, it offers sufficient cooling performance for most tasks and impresses with its whisper quiet noise levels. Let's dive in and see how it performs. As we know, Amazon Basics started as a line of value-priced everyday items. Over time, it expanded to include basic electronics, and now it has entered the realm of PC hardware. The Amazon Basics CPU cooler, in partnership with Cooler Master, aims to offer an affordable cooling solution. The Amazon Basics CPU cooler, essentially a rebranded Cooler Master product, shares the same specifications as Cooler Master's Hyper H410R RGB. With a height of only 136.5 mm, it fits well in tight builds, making it ideal for micro ATX and mini ITX systems. The cooler features 4 copper heat pipes that make direct contact with the CPU for efficient thermal dissipation. The cooler includes a 4-pin RGB lighting system, although some modern motherboards no longer support this standard. It comes with a simple 3-button hardware lighting controller for brightness, color, and lighting pattern adjustments. The cooler is equipped with a black 92mm fan, known as model DF09225512RFHN, which operates quietly while maintaining effective cooling performance. Cooling performance is a crucial factor, especially with today's demanding CPUs. While the Amazon Basics CPU cooler may not excel in extreme cooling scenarios, it offers sufficient cooling capacity for most common tasks. It's capable of handling around 198 W of total power consumption, which should be suitable for typical Core i5 or Ryzen 5 CPUs. One standout feature of the Amazon Basics CPU cooler is its impressive noise levels. It runs quietly in all scenarios, with a total system noise measuring only 41.9 dBA. This makes it one of the quietest CPU coolers I've tested, surpassed only by a high-end Fractal AIO cooler. To evaluate the cooling performance, we tested the cooler using Intel's i9-13900K CPU, paired with an Asus TUF Gaming Z690 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. We also measured noise levels using a PSPL25 sound meter. The results showed that while the Amazon Basics CPU cooler didn't pass the 200W test in our default testing environment, it came close with an average cooling capacity of 198W. Lowering the ambient temperature to 20°C allowed it to handle 200W. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics CPU cooler may not be the most powerful cooler out there, but it offers adequate cooling performance for everyday tasks. Its standout feature is its whisper quiet operation, making it a great choice for those who prioritize a silent PC. Considering its price point of $28.49 USD, it's a budget-friendly option that gets the job done. That wraps up our review of the Amazon Basics CPU cooler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.